Assalamualaikum and hi students. Let's review the answer for P4S1 together. Question 1. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? The correct answer is glucose. This is because lactose, maltose, and sucrose are disaccharides which consist of two monosaccharides combined together. Question 2. Figure shows water molecules. Name label X. We have learned before that the bonds involved in water molecules are only covalent and hydrogen bond. X refers to bonds between two water molecules, hence it is hydrogen bond. Meanwhile, covalent bond can be found in between hydrogen and oxygen atom of one water molecules. Question 3. Name the bond between two nucleotides. The answer is phosphodiester linkage. This is because glycosidic linkage refers to the bond found in carbohydrates, while dipeptide linkage can only be found in protein, and ester linkage is in lipid molecules. Question 4. Which of the following statements are correct? The correct answer is C. Number 1 is false because keratin, which found in the nails, hair, and horns, have secondary structure in the form of alpha helix. Question 5. Which are the components of triglycerides? Let's look at the structure of triglyceride. As you can see, it consists of one glycerol and 1, 2, 3 fatty acids. Therefore, the answer would be D. Let's proceed to question 6. What is the monomer for maltose? From the structure of maltose, we can identify that it is made up from combination of 1 and 2 alpha glucose together. So the answer is A. Question 7. Which of the bonds are affected when the protein denatured? The answer is 1, 2, and 3. Protein, especially which have tertiary and quaternary level structures, are susceptible to extreme pH and high temperature because they are made up of many different bonds which hold their structures together. Question 8. Which organelle is found in prokaryotes? As we have learned before, prokaryotes have no membrane-bound organelles. Thus, the answer would be ribosome. Question 9. Which of the following is false about cell theory? Statement D is not true because prokaryotes and eukaryotes are very different in terms of structure, size, and components found in them. Moving on to question 10. What is the function of cellulose? Cellulose is known as the structural components of plant cell wall, which help to provide support and rigidity to the cell. Question 11. What is the similarities between mitochondria and chloroplasts? As we can see, both have double membrane, which consists of outer membrane and inner membrane. Question 12. Which of the following transport mechanisms across membrane do not require energy? The correct answer is 1 and 2 only. This is because bulk transport is the transport of large particles into and out of the cells. Therefore, it requires ATP energy. Question 13. What is the function of cholesterol in plasma membrane? The correct answer is regulate fluidity of membrane. This is because carbohydrate chain is responsible for cell identity marker, while protein functions in signal transduction and enzymatic activity. Question 14. Primary cell wall of collenchyma tissue composed by A. Pectin and cellulose. As we look at the structure of collenchyma tissues, the cell wall consists of primary cell wall with unevenly thickened at the cell's corner made up of pectin and cellulose. Question 15. What happened during S phase? S refers to synthesis. In S phase, DNA replicates and duplication of chromosome occurred. Chromosomes are now consist of two identical chromatids. Question 16. Figure shows a phase in meiosis. What phase is shown? In the figures, homologous chromosomes align at metaphase plate. Hence, the phase is metaphase 1. Final question, question 17. All the following statements on mitosis are true except A. DNA replication occurs at the beginning of prophase. This is because DNA replication must happen during S phase of interphase. Thank you for watching, students. I wish you good luck for your UPS 1 next week.